How to reset your Windows 11 to remove everything on your PC. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In today's video I will simply guide you on how you can reset your Windows 11 to remove everything, so make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to reset your Windows 11 to remove everything, what you have to do is just go ahead and launch the settings app. So maybe you're facing some type of bugs, or maybe you're facing some issues, errors, and you want to reset your Windows. For that, first of all, make sure you're under the system tab, right? Then just scroll and then look for the option called recovery, as you can see over here. Basically, once you click on recovery, at the very top you can see recovery options, and then you can see reset this PC to keep or remove your personal files, then reinstall Windows. So in this case, just choose the option called reset PC. You have two options: to keep your files, apps, and settings and just try to reset it, or you can simply choose to remove everything. Once you click on choose to remove everything, you can see how would you like to reinstall Windows. So basically, you want your Windows to be deleted as well, or whether you want to select and delete your Windows and then you can download it from cloud. I'll just select cloud download over here. It will take some time to reinstall the Windows after that, and it may take some time to make sure you have enough storage. It may take some time, good internet connection, make sure you have enough charge, make sure it's plugged in, and then you should be able to successfully reset your Windows. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then reset your Windows 11 to remove everything. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.